Hello my friends, this is Sheree and I hope you're all doing well. My YouTube channel is Turquoise Dreaming and I am going to pick the winners for the giveaway that I announced last Saturday. It was the 4 journals, so I've got the URL already in here, and just to remind you, these are the 4 journals. I'm at in my craft room at my shipping center here, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We're doing this one first. Number 1 that I showed you on my channel last week. So let's see. I haven't used this. This is a comment picker that I haven't used before, but I like the way it got started. It's super easy if you haven't seen it before. In case you need to use one, there's the pickawinner.co. That's where you can find it. But yeah, it already filtered out duplicates and replies, and I don't, if you were wondering, I don't reply on that when there's a giveaway. I just heart all the comments to let you know I've seen them, but I don't comment because for this very reason, so that the comment picker doesn't have to filter out all my replies. Come back. Come back. It went to sleep and it decided to disappear. Like I said, this is the first time I've used this one. Oh, here it is. Okay, I got it back. Okay, let's do this before it decides to go to sleep again, because I need to pick 3 more. This is for number 1. Okay, so I'm going to say pick a winner. And I have a little notepad over here I'm going to write down. So this is at LaceyLowe7095. So just email your address, email me your address, physical address, so I can mail you this journal, number 1. I'm going to write your name down real quick on my paper, and my email will be below, so just send me your email on your address, and I will mail you the journal. Alright, got that one. Now let's see. I need to go back and do it. Let's see if it'll let me do reload here and do it. Hopefully let me do it 3 more times. So here it is. In case you're needing a comment picker. So you paste your YouTube link there. So I just right clicked and paste. There it is. And then I hit the word fetch. See how it says include replies or allow duplicates. So I don't want to include my replies, because that would be me getting mixed up in the fray. So turn that off. I'm not going to allow duplicates. I don't, you just usually don't do that. And then let's see, everything looks good. And let's see what this is. No, we weren't doing any kind of word filters or anything, so now we just continue. And so again, we have the comments loaded for the second time. Same number as before, 23. Now the same person can't win twice. So if it's the same name, I'll do it again. So number 2, this is for number 2. Cynthia Tooley, 4577. Let me write your name down real quick. Tooley, same thing. Email me your address. And then I'm going to do it 2 more times. So number 2, just as a reminder, was this one here. All right, 2 more times. Let's see who you are. Number 3 winner, and that's the YouTube comment picker right there. Yeah, I like it. It's real easy if you haven't done this one before. Right click, paste, fetch, turn off replies, continue, 23 comments, picker, number 3. Oh, it's doing good. It hasn't picked the same one twice. So at Deborah Decker. So these do have to be in the US. I don't know if I said that before, but yeah, that was one of the criteria. Deborah Decker. So if anyone's outside the US. just let me know, and we can pick someone else. I'm sorry about that, but I am mailing 4 journals here, and you know, it is Destash, so anyway, it is what it is, right? Okay, Deborah Decker 4161. Now, one more to go, my friends. Let's go back and do it one more time. I was wondering if, you know, since this is free, I mean, most of them are free, but since it was free, I was like, oh, is it going to cut me off at some point? I don't want to jinx myself, so I'm not going to say any more about that. I can see it like, okay, you've reached your limit of comment picking today. So, paste, fetch, turn off replies, continue. Loading comments, 23. And pick a winner. Oh, that was number 2. Wow, it finally gave me, I mean, there's enough comments where it shouldn't really pick the same person twice, but we've got to do it one more time because Cynthia was number 2. So this is for number 4. Sorry, my friends, we have to do it one more time. You're experiencing this in real time just like I am. I hope it will give me a new name this time. At least I'm getting faster at it as I learned how this works, right? Pick a winner. Ah, we got a new one. Crystal Gill. At Crystal, spelled a little different than I've ever seen it. CHRISTALGILL. Very cool. Okay, thank you all for everyone for you know, entering the giveaway. I appreciate it. I'm glad you're interested in winning one of these cute journals, and as soon as I get your email address that day or the next day, probably usually it's the next day before I can get it in the mail because usually I'm at work or something. You know what I mean? And so then that night I'll come home from work and wrap things up and get them in the mail the next day. So yeah, I hope you all get the message that you won. I'll put a little message under each of your comments. That's the only way I can contact you, pretty much. So, or the best way for me to contact all of you, because I don't think that I don't have any of y'all's address that I know of. So, thank you for entering. Thank you for watching my channel, all your support. I appreciate it. Stay tuned for more fun toward this ending of this year, and brand new and fun things to happen next year in 2026. And I don't want to keep you anymore. I hope you're having a happy Thanksgiving weekend, and the upcoming Christmas season will also be great for you. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.